American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can call or text Joe Rubio at 954-639-1468. Here we are with our 2009 Freightliner M2. Is a 60-foot working height center mount over center bucket truck with a Bandit chipper on it. This truck is equipped with a Cummins 6.7 liter, 24,000 original documented miles, Florida truck, fleet maintained, one owner, zero rust on that frame. I'll get some close-ups of that frame for you guys. It is 6-speed manual transmission. This truck is under CDL. It does have air brakes. Air brakes do not determine if it's CDL or not. The chassis GVWR is 26,000 pounds. Again, under CDL truck, equipped with a Bandit PTO driven chipper. It is a 60-foot Versalift center mount, single man bucket, hydraulic controls, pistol grip in there, and chainsaw hookups. I do offer financing, shipping, and export on this vehicle, so if you'd like more information on that, please call Joe at 954-639-1468. We'll get some close-ups. I know this is a not your typical unit. We're going to do a full demonstration on it. We're going to start the bucket with the PTO, and then this is a PTO-driven Bandit chipper, so the PTO switch is left or right, pretty much aerial or PTO. So you'll have to take the PTO line direction with the air switch to go to PTO for chipper or for aerial. You can't use them at the same time, but it is a very neat combination that you have it built onto the same frame. Now the chute is a full swivel, so we'll demonstrate that as well. I got my guy in the truck. That swivel goes all the way around. You can shoot from that side to this side, straight across, anywhere you like on that chute. And let me get some motor pictures again, or video, excuse me. This is a 24,000 original documented truck. You can see the chassis there. Very, very clean truck. We went through the truck fully serviced. Hydraulic lines checked. The chipper has been serviced as well, fully lubricated. All brand new 6 tires, chrome Acola rims. No simulators on this, boys. Rims. I've been seeing a lot of simulators lately. We don't do sims. These are real chrome Acola rims. 24 original documented miles. 24,000 original documented miles. So go ahead and start it up. Again, this truck's being offered by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. I will have the number on the bottom of the screen as well. Call Joe, 954-639-1468. We offer financing, shipping, and export. Shipping on this truck will be low boy service, fully insured. Give us a call to get a quote. Very, very competitive rates, working directly with the driver. There is no broker in the middle. Again, air brake truck. It is under CDL. Air brakes mean nothing on the CDL part. 26,000 GVWR. Show you the cab a little better. Like I said, the air switch It is a two-way. You have aerial here and then chip unit that side. So PTO, or excuse me, initiate the clutch, grab it like a typical Chelsea PTO, go aerial, and then go chipper. So we'll go ahead and do that, demonstrate that the bucket function. Activate aerial. Alright, click in there. This truck does have two outriggers mounted center point of the truck. While he's doing that, you got cabinet space here. Again, very clean truck, no rust. You can see we did put some protection here for, you know, just tool mark wear and stuff, but you know, it is, you can see all original metal. Very, very clean truck. There is a bar we have here for this side. And then this is all storage too. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. Yep, there we go. All the way through for your pole saws and stuff like that. For demonstration purpose, we're gonna go ahead and operate from the ground here. And it's a 60-foot single man bucket, over center mount, highly desired truck under CDL, guys. Anyone could drive this truck. Anyone with a normal driver's license can drive this truck. Very interesting combination with the chip unit. It's probably, I think almost one of the one or two I've ever seen like this. So very, very custom, unique truck. Multiple purposes for it. And that being under CDL is amazing. Again, 24,000 original documented miles. Very, very low miles on it. Fleet maintained, one owner. And it is a Florida unit. Can't get any better than that. It is being operated by ground controls for demonstration purposes only. Again, American Trucks and Equipment, 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. If you like to fly in, drive it home, we have temporary tags available for this unit while you're doing transferring into your state. Any Florida customer, we go ahead and do all transfers from you. You still get a temporary tag for us for 30 days while we get that title and tag transferred. If you like to fly in, again, fly into Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Fort Lauderdale International Airport is about 10-15 minutes north of us. We'll gladly pick you up from there. Test drive the truck, fly it, drive it home. And then for financing, we offer financing for startups and over 2 years in business. You can give us a call to get some more information. Joe at 954-639-1468 or Anthony 954-706-0081. Either of us will pick up the phone. And you can also give us a text too. Those are cell phones direct to us. So we'll go ahead and use the chipper now. Hey Frank, jump on the do the chipper. Leave it in the air. Jump the chipper. Put the chipper into PTO. So he's gonna go ahead and activate the PTO on the chipper. Again, it's one or the other, can't use both. And that's just because it's gonna overheat the PTO. They do this specifically and uses a lot of PTO strength to get one or the other going. So same thing, you just go ahead and initiate the clutch, and then just go to the right. That's gonna be the PTO. So we'll go ahead and drop the chip tray. Now this does have reverse and then the safety stop. throttle it up. Show you the chute. So there's a pin here you pull. It's usually easy to get two people on it. Alright, sorry about that. I just noticed the camera was off when I was getting up there. So anyways, what I did was I got up here. I had one guy release a pin, which I'll show you again. And the chipper's 100%, you can move it to any direction you need. If you need the chip from the side, the rear, it moves. There's a pin right here, and you can move the chute. So, and then also the director, chute up, you know. Again, this truck's being sold by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. We offer financing, shipping on this 2009 Freightliner M2 60-foot over center under CDL, 24,000 original documented miles, Cummins 6.7 liter with a Bandit chipper, PTO driven, mounted to the rear of the truck. Very unique combination here. GVWR on this truck is 26,000 pounds. Anyone can drive it with any legal license. Cummins 6.7, can't get any better than that with 24 original documented miles. You can see rust-free chassis, brand new tires all the way around. But don't play around, trucks are completely gone through, ready for you to go to work.